Are you ready? We're putting your baking sodas in. Ooh, oh, check it out. Check it out. Oh, you didn't miss much. We just switched back over and we're putting in some baking sodas. Oh, thank you. Hi, sugar, sugar, polka. Polka, sugar, sugar. Good morning, my love. Thank you for the love yous. I love you too, polka, polka. I love you. It's funny, the colors are green and pink like wicked. I just can't get over that. Ari was spot on. Elva. Wait, where is Lucy going? Lucy, where are you going? I keep missing. I have my iPad in a dumb place because I can't pick up this thing to put it back where I like it. And I missed where she's going. And when is Lucy going live too? Oh, thank you, Brittany. Okay, I'm gonna have to move my iPad because I'm missing comments. I'm out of the loop. Going to. Oh, okay. Lucy, can you get Salvo? My Salvo just arrived. I have to go get it from the front door. I got one green one, one blue one. We love Lucy. I love Lucy. Salvo for life. Okay, let's put some more. Wait, let's I feel like this needs a liquid. Should I put the other fab in? For liquids for the green, this side, we have less oil, the green fab, or a fabric softener. Hey, yes, Ari, yes. Preach, sister. Preach. Preach. Okay. I totally did. I totally did. You're so cute. Oh, here goes the baking soda in my nose. Make my nose runny. Let's get big old powder bombs. Big old. And we'll put yellow on top. Keep it bright. It turns to opera. I love that. I love that, Luce. Okay, got a couple more boxes. Let's see how many boxes we have. 1, 2, 6 more boxes going in. Now a little stronger. leaving? Who's leaving Clean Talk? I'm so out of the loop. But some of the loops I like to be out of, like the people that are not getting along. Like when somebody's being mean to somebody and stuff, I never know what's going on. Gigi's? I did not know that. Hi, Sharisa. Oh, no worries, Samson. Yeah, I did not know that. Retiring? Was she just kidding? Here goes my nose with baking soda. Leanne, do you have a preference of which sponge I want in here? An amber for your list oil, and Kashina for your fabric softener. Do you have a preference? You want me to switch out any of these sponges? All things G, Knot, and Sweet Gain. Oh, they're stopping too? Oh, wow. You don't have a preference? Okay. Hi, Shari. I didn't know people were quitting. Or retiring, I should say. A boat? Okay. I think our shorty is pretty filled with stuff right now, so we'll move her out for a little bit. Everyone leaving. I've been doing it for 3 years, but I only do it like once a week. Oh no, Kayla, that one over there is pink. We have a pink one and a green one going. Let's get her wet. Nice and wet. She needs to get wet. Oh, they had enough from the hate. I did, but not for long. I just had to fix it because I thought the problem was unfixable, but we fixed the problem, personal problem with my hobby, and then it was okay. Yes, isn't it pretty, Amber? I know, because like, what are we doing? We're just squeezing sponges. Why do people fight? I take it as a compliment if somebody does something that I do, or they get the idea from me. I take that as a compliment. Me either, Amber. I don't get it. Because it's literally just a relaxation thing for me. Yeah, we all use sponges and products, and we squeeze sponges. We're sitting here squeezing sponges. Yeah, the copying is wild because who knows who the first sponge squeezer was. Oh, this is good, you guys. Meg, thank you. Meg sent for another less oil. Now we have 5 less oils left. Competition, that's, yeah, I don't care. You know what, you guys, let me tell you about my followers. Thank you, Meg. Let me grab it before I forget. Let me tell you about my followers. I have been at the same number of followers don't go up because I always get the notification, so it won't let new people know that I'm live. but I don't care. The people that I want to be here are here already, so. Like I've had the same number of followers. I think it's like 32.7. I've had the same number of followers for at least 6 months. And I don't care. I'm not here for the followers. I'm here for the social aspect, talking to you guys and squeezing these sponges. Me too. Me too. And I think some people have gotten offended about unfollowing, but if you're being mean, then I'm not interested in watching your lives. Soapy Sunshine Customs is where I got the sponge, the strawberry sponge. Soapy Sunshine Customs. Yeah, lives are so fun. I used to post more than go live, but once I started going live, I didn't post as much anymore. But yeah, I definitely don't get on trying to get followers, because I know every live, at the end of the live, it'll say, you know, you got maybe like 18 followers, new followers, and that's okay. What I'm here is solely for the relaxation and chat. This sponge, I think I'm messing up this sponge. Look at how she's getting torn. Her holes are getting all torn. I'm gonna give her a break. Yeah. Like I love what it does for you guys, the relaxation part. But it does so much for me too. And your guys' lives do so much for me. Love it. Thank you, Tink. Oh, the last oil is so good. Oh, good. We have another one going in. We started off with 12 lest oils. Now we are down to 5. That is awesome. I love you guys. Yeah, that's right, Amber. That is right. Oop. Cute Ava. I love you guys. Let's put our other lest oil in. I love the consistencies and the changing. I love going from, oh my gosh, it's almost all the way dry, and then we put some liquid in, and then it goes back to soft, and then it goes to thick, pasty like this. I love it. Amber, drinks. Jinx. Okay, let's put the fabric softener and the lest oil in. We got some aromas going in, some blancas going in, and some more baking sodas. Yeah, right, Jasmine? I love how it goes from this to that. And I like to, when I do add color, I like to add, if the consistency is kind of staying the same, like when we do pine jelly, I like to change the color, because, you know, gotta keep fresh colors and stuff. Yeah, and I'm happy with my followers. You guys, everybody that comes to my live, if this was the only people that ever came to my lives, perfect. If it was 50 people in my live, but it was like you guys, my friends, perfect. I feel like we have an uneven amount of sponges in here and it's kind of throwing me off. Should I put one more sponge in? Yes. Okay. Texas. Hi, honey. Here, let me get one of these sponges, another one of these. Let's do this one. Sonia loves this one. Okay,